Good day everyone. So today, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-deactivate ng Facebook account. Una, punta tayo sa Facebook. Tapos, click natin yung three lines dito sa right side. Then go to settings and privacy. Click that and then click privacy shortcuts. After that, just scroll it down. And makikita nyo dito ay merong nakasulat na, ayan, scroll down pa natin. Meron dito, delete your account and information. Just click that and then makakita nyo na yung option na deactivate account or delete account. So, pwede nyo i-deactivate yung account nyo. Take note, this is temporary only. And then lahat ng page nyo ay made-deactivate as well. After that, for security purposes, ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong password. Tapos, deactivated na yung account ninyo.